Hey y'all, welcome back. I hope you are all doing wonderful and staying healthy and having a great day. As you can see from the title and the thumbnail, today we are going to be opening the GlobeIn Bonjour box. So this is a big old box, but I'm so excited because if you've been with me, you know I love GlobeIn. I think it is an amazing subscription and it is so unique and the products are so gorgeous, and I can't wait to get in here and actually see these products in person and hold them and just look at all of their beautifulness. So GlobeIn, if you are not aware, is a monthly subscription and they work with artisans from all around the world and they curate these beautiful boxes, and the themes are just amazing. And one thing I really like about GlobeIn is they have a set theme every month. However, if you don't particularly like that theme, it's not something that would work for you, they do allow you to select from about 4 to 5 other themes. So you have options, and I think that's fantastic. I haven't seen very many subscription box companies that give you choices that say, okay, well, here's our box for April 2020, but here's 4 other boxes if you would rather have a different box. I think that is amazing. Again, this is the Bonjour box, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I already know it. I will put a link down below as well as a promo code if you would like to save some money, because who doesn't like saving money, right? So let's get this open. Let's see what the Bonjour box from GlobeIn is all about. And yeah. All right, so right here on top, it's like a big box. We've got the little pamphlet. It says Bonjour box. And what I love too about GlobeIn is with these little pamphlets, they go over each product, but they also kind of give you a story about someone who could be working and potentially have made your items. So I'm actually gonna take the box and set it down because it's massive and it's in the way. Okay, so we have, like I said, the Bonjour, and it says in here, say bonjour to a new morning. This set is curated to help you convert your home into the bed and breakfast you've always dreamed of. Complete with fresh squeezed orange juice, perfectly cooked soft boiled eggs, and flower-friendly decor fit for a queen. Yes. All right, so I am going actually to hop off camera really quick, and I am going to kind of take a lot of the packing out because they protect everything so well. They package so amazingly to make sure that everything arrives to you safely. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of get everything semi-ready and I'll be right back. All right, so we've got everything out and pretty much ready to go here. So the very first item still does have this on it, some paper, but I thought it was cute because it was wrapped up, and I think I'm most excited about this. Because see, here in a little over a week and a half will be my wedding anniversary. A couple of weeks after that, it's my birthday. Week and a half, 2 weeks after that, Mother's Day. So this may come in handy. At least I hope it does. All right. This is like opening a present. Is the collapsible breakfast tray, or just tray, you know, breakfast in bed, or you sleep in, brunch in bed. But I didn't have one of these, and I'm like, maybe if I select that box and I get it, my husband will be more prone to maybe breakfast in bed. So I think it is gorgeous. It is just, you can tell that, I mean, the quality of the items with GlobeIn is phenomenal. So I I knew this would be gorgeous and sturdy and just amazing, but in person, it's just phenomenal. So let's see. So this is from India, and it says, say hello to Noorjahan. I hope I'm saying her name correctly. She's one of our wonderful woodworking artisan partners based in India. She is 54 years old and has very little educational training. Her children are now grown and settled into their independent lives, so the living she earns contributes to her own well-being. And that is one thing that I love, is they only work with fair trade, sustainable companies, and they make sure that the people who are creating these gorgeous products are getting fair wages. And I think that that is just amazing. But here she is. So there is item number 1. And then we have, I'm hoping I'm selecting the right item. Let's see. Like I said, I didn't want to open them up all the way because I want to like literally see them for the first time with you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Okay, so yes, this is a hand-painted recycled glass Beldy cup. This is from Morocco. That is gorgeous. Like, this product was made in Morocco in a collaboration between 2 artisan groups, La Verre Beldy, and I'm not even going to attempt the other one because I'm going to butcher it, and I apologize. Says suggested use. This cute cup features a hand-painted pop of color designed to brighten up any morning. The traditional ribbed shape means that you can hold your drink more comfortably. So, again, handmade, fair trade in Morocco. And here is the gentleman, one of them anyway, part of the company that is responsible for this glass. So just set it right there on my tray. All right, and then the next item is right here, and this is a ceramic egg cup. Oh, this is beautiful. It's like a pink. It's like this corally pink, just gorgeous color. So this is also handmade in Morocco. Meat Driss Kaloufi. I apologize if I butchered that. I'm always worried I'm gonna butcher it. He is skilled and hardworking artisan. Serve your freshly boiled eggs in style. So you would place the egg right here. Here is the gentleman. And then here it kind of shows you how you place your egg right there. And the shells can go there, and voila. All right. And then this next item is actually from the same company that made the drinking glass. All right. Oh, okay. So this is a ceramic Bud Vase. And it's just, there's something about this that even though it's just a solid blue, it is just gorgeous. So this colorful ceramic Bud Vase is the cutest vessel for that perfect bloom. Use as a decorative item on your tabletop or curated shelves. It shows it right here. Stunning. I think that's so pretty. Just a few little spring flowers, some daisies. All right. And then we have, this is the final item, I believe. This is from India. This is a 2-tone hammer spoon. Right here. So it's like a silver spoon, but it literally looks like a little hammer. What is this? Like I said, this is from India. Crack the egg and pull back the shell with this tiny hammer. Then scoop out the goodness with a stainless steel spoon. Okay, so you could like have your little plate. So you'd have your hard-boiled egg and you'd tap it, and then you could turn it this way because that's kind of curved to peel the shell off, and then you have your spoon. That is so cute. That is adorable. So we have the little egg combo basically with the plate and the hammer spoon. We have our little cup for our juice. And then we have the beautiful little vase that we could put a little flower on our tray. And then we obviously have that gorgeous wooden tray. So this is such an amazing box. This is probably one of my favorite from GlobeIn, and it's just stunning. A thing here I'm seeing in the back that looks delicious is a recipe for avocado eggs Benedict. Yum. So that is the Bonjour box from GlobeIn. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I'll put a link to GlobeIn as well as a promo code to save you some money down in the description. If you get GlobeIn, have you gotten this box? Do you like it? Do you love it? I love it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.